and it's day number 5, I think, of the tour. And we are in a hotel very close to Pisa. It's only 30 minutes ride, but let me show you the view from our balcony. Look at that. Right over there is the swimming pool, which we'll check it out later, but right now we're getting ready to go to Pisa. Only 30 minutes, so stay with us to see the beautiful city of Pisa.
Welcome to another amazing place here in Italy. Today we are in the lovely city of
Pisa!
and just want to show you this, guys,
Oh my God.
you need to have the experience from the moment that you walk in. So Pisa is always busy, as you know. However, when you walk in, guys, check this out. I've been here many times, but I never get tired of this amazing view. The colors and the Leaning Tower of Pisa is something unbelievable. It's the first time for Monika and my daughter here, and I hope that I'm impressed as I am when I went the first time, because
It's very impressive. Luis was actually telling me before we parked the car, like, look that way, but I couldn't see anything. And when I got out of the car, I mean, like right now, when I saw the tower, I was like, it's very impressive. It's very nice.
yeah, it's so many people here always. Doesn't matter the day of the time of the year. Now, I've been very lucky. Every time I come here to Pisa, the day is like that, sunny, hot. But I've seen many friends that they come to Pisa and it's always rainy or dark or cloudy.
How sad that is.
Oh no, when they come and it's, for me, I've been extremely lucky. So yeah, I love this place. Yeah, Pisa is more than the tower. I love how clear that looks, like so bright when it's sunny. It's just unbelievable. And I love how the walls are covering the city. It's just nice. Regardless of how many people there are, you still got space here. Look at this. Even if it's forbidden to walk there, you still will see people that it will break the rules. It says here in the rules that if you break the law, you will have to pay €25 fee. So the construction of the tower began in August 9, 1173, and it was initially intended to be a vertical structure. The original architect is somewhat disputed, but it's often attributed to Bonanno Pisano, and that's the reason why it's called the Pisa Tower. So from here you can see the tower, how lean it is right here at the bottom. Now, originally, in a clearer explanation, the first architect, he decided to make wider the bases, and then I believe the second architect made them slimmer. That's the reason why the tower started leaning within the years. Now, you can go on top if you want. You need to buy the tickets online prior you come here. And then on this side, look at this, guys. It's so amazing. How amazing. Look, this is so good. And you see all these millions of people lining up right there. Did you know the Pisa Tower is a World War II miracle? There was a sergeant who was told that if the tower was used by the enemy troops, must destroy it. And guess what? Captivated by his beauty, he did not. And now all of us today can enjoy this. The details in the cathedral are awesome. Even at the doors, guys. Look. It's unbelievable. If you see this detail right here, the leaves, you can see how well detailed is all this. Jeez. On our way from Florence to Pisa, we decided to stay in this hotel. It's very hard to find nice hotels for a low price in Italy. They have amazing hotels all over the place, but we really want to mention this one because it was very affordable. It's the three of us, and including dinner and breakfast, we pay about $180 for 2 days. And we just want to show you. So the room has a balcony, and that's the view that we have. We're going right now to the pool, but the location is really nice. So let it know.
It is nice. Actually, I didn't even expect that it was going to be this nice because last night we came like so late, we didn't see anything. Of course, out of the balcony, it was like all dark. But this morning when we woke up, it was just wow. And now we have to go to the swimming pool.
What do you think of the hotel?
Oh, it's very nice. I love it in here. I cannot wait to try the swimming pool.
Driving in Tuscany region has been the highlight of my trip so far. You can imagine all the roads, like stuff I've only seen on internet, and I'm actually like living and enjoying it right now. Hi.
Hi.
We stopped the car just to get some nice footage of this place. It's a very small town near to Lucca and near to the hotel that we're staying. So I think you'll like this.
We were trying to get some really nice footages, but we stopped in a very bad place. It was full of mosquitoes and they bite us like everywhere. Actually, our feet right now, our legs are bleeding.
If you
That's
see my
how
leg,
bad
guys, I
it
promise you
was.
they're really bad.
Show me.
Well, look, check. Look.
Look.
And all that is because
Everywhere.
I surprised the look.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. But we found the parking lot and it's not that much trees. Well, there is trees around, but I hope it's better than the place where we stopped. From here we can actually see the castle, the tower, just a piece of it. Yeah, we actually saw this castle on our way to our hotel, and Luis was captivated by it, and he told me like we have to go and just explore the little town over there. So that's what we did.
We find out something about the story. This is the castle of Nozzano in the region of Tuscany.
It was built in the 8th century, so it's very old.
During the Renaissance, played a very important role. Most of the time, Lucca was in war with Florence.
Yeah.
They were in war, and the poor castle was caught in the middle. So it was a very strategic point. At some point, even the Medici family was a very important family who ruled Florence for centuries. And up till now, they still have tons of money. That family, they even ruled the castle. They took over the castle over the years. And right now, the castle is closed. Sometimes they open it for tours, according to what I read.
And also for big events.
Yes, but apparently
the
town becomes like a medieval place when they do medieval events and all that.
Yeah.
Yes, so that must be really nice.
So we stopped in a very local bar / mini market, a cafe, and we ordered 2 latte macchiatos together with something sweet. This is sweet with ricotta and
it's pastry.
Pastry with ricotta and pieces of chocolate, and also a little tiny sandwich with crudo.
Yes. So we want to show you around, guys. So it's just in the middle of Tuscany. in the drive. So obviously you see all these beautiful trees, cars are parked there, and let me show you right here, maybe you can see from here. You have all that cornfield, the houses over there. It's really amazing. I said to Monika, let's just stop there quick for a quick coffee, and it's just so Italian, you know, the latte macchiato.
Also, I love enjoying places just like a local would. It's like you get like the full experience, and that is something that I really like.
Yeah. So guess what, guys? Even here, this is extremely cheap. Like each of these one is €1. That one is €1, and the coffees are €1 as well. So we got all together €6 in this. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as we did. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. This is it for today, and ciao for now.